Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Brick Rod title. This guide will walk you through the entire process, from initial preparation to finally claiming your reward. We'll cover everything you need to know to add this impressive achievement to your profile. It's a straightforward journey if you follow these simple steps, and soon you'll be showcasing your new title with pride. Before embarking on your quest for the Brick Rod title, some preparation is key. First, confirm your character meets the necessary level, often around level 50. Next, you'll need to collect specific resources, such as approximately 100 units of rare ore. Finally, ensure you have completed any prerequisite quests, which usually involve 3 introductory tasks. Proper preparation makes the acquisition process much smoother. Now, let's dive into the core acquisition process. Begin by finding the designated quest giver, typically located in the central city hub. They will present you with a series of 5 unique challenges that test various skills. After completing these, you'll face a final boss. Successfully defeating this boss, which often requires careful strategy and teamwork, is the last major hurdle to overcome. Congratulations! Once you've completed all the steps, the exclusive Brick Rod title will be yours. You can immediately display this prestigious title on your character's nameplate, showcasing your dedication and skill to other players. This achievement opens doors to new opportunities and recognition within the game world. Now, you might consider tackling other challenging in-game achievements to further enhance your profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.